Centaur Fuel Management, the main UK distributor for MCS products and solutions, providing complete fueling solutions. We have more than 25 years' experience working in partnership with MCS as an approved distributor. Fuel and fluid stock monitoring can be time-consuming and costly to control. CloudGauge from MCS is the next-generation solution to control your remote stock management. The CloudGauge unit integrates with the market's most popular tank gauge systems with a simple single cable connection. CloudGauge communicates automatically to our secure stock management web portal, sending real-time event updates for single or multiple tank stocks. CloudGauge has an integrated router to take advantage of 2G, 3G or 4G communication. The built-in GPS module and antenna automatically updates the web portal with tracking and location services. Connect up to 4 tanks as standard to the CloudGauge unit to incorporate a range of different products. Or choose our upgrade option to expand CloudGauge to 8 tank monitoring. The terminal is designed to meet the demanding requirements from exposure to a variety of climates and conditions in any country or region. CloudGauge gives you complete control of multiple tank and site stocks from one screen, replacing the need for software at multiple locations. Events and updates sent automatically to the CloudGauge website. Customize the frequency of stock updates, once a day, once an hour, or real time. Choose the frequency that suits your business needs. Set up an automated email to notify the depot manager or fuel supplier that a delivery is required. Receive notifications when a delivery arrives and the stock levels are updated. View the CloudGauge website through any web-enabled PC, tablet or smartphone. Powerful reporting, stock reconciliation, graphs and automated reports sent straight to your inbox. Contact Centaur Fuel Management today. Alternatively, visit our website or Facebook page for further information.